We talked about two things: climate and redwoods. So these two ideas, climate and redwoods, they're surrounded by other ideas. So when you hear the word climate, what are some of the things that you think of now that we've studied this? Who is that? Zoe?
The weather.
Okay, good. So climate is made up of many different types of weather. What else do you think of? Chloe?
Well, I have a couple questions. Is this in the same section of where we took our notes yesterday?
Yeah. What else? Yeah, Omar.
For redwoods, I think water.
Okay. Good. Okay, what else? Yes, Julia? I mean, Zoe?
When I think of redwoods, I think of rare, because they're really rare, not wild and wet.
Okay, they're very rare. Good. Ella?
When I think of climate, I think of like storms and like what can happen in mountains.
Okay, so storms. Mountains can affect the weather in an area.
Somebody wrote.
Whoop. So mountains is what I should have written in here. What else do you think of when you think of climate and weather? What are some of the other things? Luke, what do you think of?
Wait, for which one?
Climate.
The climate, I think of damage. Because like some storms can cause damage to places.
Okay, we'll put that under weather. Damage to housing and whatnot. Okay. Okay, good. Mark, what do you think of?
When I think of redwoods.
No, climate.
Okay, when I think of climate, I think of long term like weather.
Good. So climate is long-term weather. Okay, good. Elizabeth, how about you?
For climate?
Yeah. And it could be related to any of these subtopics here. I'll come back to you. Ethan, what do you think of?
I think of
Okay, we'll come back to you. Sam?
I think of floods.
Good. So I'm going to put that under weather. Floods. Good. Julia?
Can I do something for redwoods?
We're just focusing on climate right now. Yeah. Kaya?
I think of season like fall, winter.
Okay, good, good. So seasons Now, here in our area, of course, summer, fall, winter, and spring. Now, in other areas, these may be more accentuated, more well defined. Sometimes in our area, these kind of blend together. Okay. Donia, how about you? What do you think about?
The climate.
Uh-huh.
Maybe like heat waves.
Okay. Good. How about related to heat waves? Does anybody think of two different patterns? Ethan?
No.
Okay, Luke?
Heat.
Okay, heat, right. What else? Yeah, Crystal?
Oh, wait, this is just the climate, global warming.
Good. That's a big one. Global warming, good. That's a big one. There's a lot of stuff with that one. Okay, Ethan?
Humidity.
Okay, good. We'll include that over here with weather. Okay, good. Who's that in the back? Olivia? Good. So droughts may be related to heat waves, maybe not. So drought. Okay. Zoe?
I think of weather forecasters.
So predicting the weather, forecast.
Can I bring back some tissues from the bathroom?
Who is that? Cooper.
I think of like precipitation.
Good. Okay, precipitation. Good. Leah?
Condensation.
Good. Ella?
I think of like lightness, darkness, and the four elements, and like the elements.
I'm going to put that with the seasons. Light and dark. So there's different periods of lightness and darkness. Good. Cooper?
Temperature.
Good. Bless you. Okay. Bless you. Okay. Spencer, how about you? What do you think of? Related to climate?
Yeah.
Good. Like agriculture?
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. So, without a certain climate, we can't have different types of food that we enjoy. So, agriculture is a huge part of that. Okay. Rosie, what do you think about? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Heat wave, I would say constant. like repeated. It's like repetitive heat waves.
So we'll say patterns.
Okay, that works.
Ah, it's getting pretty big. Ella.
The 4 elements. Elements.
Like,
Kind of like oxygen and all those things.
Green, like earth, water, fire, air.
Yeah, like elements.
okay. Alec?
Like freezes and like when it gets really cold.
Temperature.
So off of winter,
Yeah.
cold. Nobody's mentioned, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to spell patterns correctly with 2 T's. And then coming off of patterns, there's 2 patterns that we haven't mentioned. How about El Nino and La Nina? Okay, let's go to Redwoods now.
Yes.
And let's see if we can, first of all, name some things. Second of all, make some connections. Sam.
I have one for climate.
Okay?
Mudslides.
Yeah, mudslides, especially in the winter. Good.
How does this
Yeah.
This is the one I wanted to say before. Ecosystems. Because you know there are whole ecosystems living within them.
Good. Ethan?
trees?
So redwoods are trees, but redwood forests are much more than that. Crystal? Good. So there's a whole suite of animals that go with and live in and on and under the redwoods. Good. Chris, Olivia? Good. Redwoods need fog. Good. Kaya?
When I think of redwoods, I think big. Huge.
Big. Good. Aaliyah?
When I think of redwoods, I think thousands and thousands of years ago.
Very good.
Because they were like the first trees.
Excellent. Excellent. Thousands of years old. Okay. Elizabeth, what do you think of redwoods?
Well, I think of them very interesting because they can live that old and
Okay. Mark?
I think of green and plants because they have like plants on them, like bushes and stuff.
So animals and other plants?
Yeah. Sure. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, they're so big that other plants live on them and in them. Ms. Kinsella, what do you think of with redwoods? We got that. What else?
May God bless you.
Think about what they need. Okay, good. They need light. And that light and the sun are connected to the green that they have for photosynthesis. Okay, Kamiko? Good. They're so big they have soil on the branches that other creatures, even trees, grow on. Okay, good. Jordan?
No, I'm trying to say, can I move up a little bit?
Yeah. Spencer?
I was going to say illegal redwood logging.
Good. So logging is a huge issue. And especially with such a rare and endangered resource. Crystal?
Found it. What was that sound?
Okay. Good. Zoe?
They're very mysterious.
Okay. There's a lot that we still don't know. Good. What else? Sam?
I think a force.
Forest. They come. So they come in groups called a forest. Yeah.
I think imagination.
Imagination.
'Cause
Good.
You can like build a tree house in it, a zip line, tire swing. Absolutely.
Okay. Good. Ella?
I think of like how unique they are and like how beautiful they are.
So I'm going to combine that. I'm going to combine that with play and unique. Alec?
Fire resistance.
Good. Good. It resists fire. So it resists fire. Excellent. Spencer?
I actually have a question.
Yeah.
Can I go get some water?
Yeah. Aaliyah?
For the fire, could you couldn't because redwood seeds when they get burned down from fires, doesn't fire help redwoods grow?
Yeah, it can clear area for them to grow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And doesn't it need fire?
It isn't one of the ones that needs fire to reproduce. Yeah, those are other types of cone trees. Yeah. Crystal? Hmm? Good. I'm going to take that off of the light. Release oxygen. Good. Okay.